Hey, thank you. Quick introduction about me. My name is Sandeep. I'm a developer in VS Code. Today, I'm here to demo how you can bring your own model into VS Code and use Copilot Chat. So here is a project, Sticky Sprint project, which I've just cloned. I would like to use my own model here to understand about this project. So I logged into Copilot. And I have these models available. I'm a free user right now. So let me pick an auto and then let me see what this project is about. So just ask about this project. Yeah, and yep, it is explaining me about this project using the existing models. So now I heard about this Minimax model, which I want to use and see whether I can use that model inside VS Code, right? So I can do that by going here. And we have a manage models editor, which opens this. And I have a subscription in Open Router where I can actually use this Minimax model. So let me try to configure that and use that. So I have so let me pick Open Router, and then I have a key over there, provide the key, and then that's it. So all the models available in Open Router are shown here. So let me see if I have this Minimax model, which I want to try. Yes, so I have this Minimax. So I have enabled Minimax 2.5. Cool. Let me go back and try to see if I can use that model here. Yes, this is available here. And let me select that model. And probably one thing I want to do with this model is to see, since I don't see a README here, let me try to add a README. So add README to this project. So it is now using the Minimax model, which I've configured. Yeah, cool. Yeah, there you go. So it's so I can use my custom model here, and I have the README available, which is done by the custom model which I have configured. So next thing is maybe I would like to have models running on my machine. Maybe I would like to use that models in VS Code, right? So one, I have Ollama running in my machine. Maybe I want to use the models from the Ollama. So let me show you how to configure and use that. So again, I'll go back to manage models and add models. So we have various providers here, and let me pick Ollama. And by default, it is running in this URL endpoint, so I don't need to change it. Yes, so I have the Ollama models available here, and I can go back and start using the 23 coded from Ollama. So I would like to quickly also show how I can configure using an endpoint. So let's say by some reason this model is not working. Let me probably want to add a custom OpenAI model. So we have a provider where you can add an OpenAI compatible model. So yeah, OpenAI compatible, and then I don't need to provide an API key because it is running on my machine. Yeah, so it opens this configuration file, and where I can actually go and add the OpenAI compatible model. So I have the configuration here. Let me go and paste it. Yeah, so this is nothing but using the same Qwen3 model from Ollama, but configuring as a specific compatible endpoint. So now let me come back to the editor. Now I can see our Qwen3 coder configured as OpenAI compatible models available, and yeah, I can use it. So this is all I have. So you can bring your own models into VS Code and use them in Copilot Chat. Yeah, that's all I have. Thank you very much. Back to you in studio.